Can I still see my child if there is an AVO? Hi, I'm Shweta Kumar, and today I'm going to help you understand about AVOs and when you can still see your child. What is an AVO, you might ask? There are two types of AVOs. Firstly, an apprehended domestic violence order. This is an order that is placed on you by a former partner or spouse. The second type is an apprehended personal violence order. This is an order where there is no domestic relationship between the parties, but an order is placed to protect a person. This can happen, for example, between co-workers or neighbours. An AVO can be made against you if the court believes there is a reasonable likelihood that you may intimidate, harass, or be violent towards your former partner or spouse. So how does an AVO impact you when there are parenting orders in place? Parenting orders are made by the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia that has federal jurisdiction, and an AVO is made by the local court that has state jurisdiction. So when there is an inconsistency between the two orders, parenting orders will prevail. So for example, if the AVO states that you cannot go within 100 metres of your former partner's residence, but the parenting orders state that you can collect your child at a certain time from the other parent's residence, then you can go to the other parent's residence at that particular time, and you will not be in breach of the AVO. What happens if you don't have any orders? Well, if a court is making an AVO against you, the court will generally include an exception in the orders so that you can communicate through a lawyer and come to some form of agreement. If an agreement is reached, then you will not be in breach of the AVO. However, if the other party withdraws their consent to the agreement, then you must not continue. Otherwise, you will be in breach of the AVO. What if your matter is in court for parenting matters? If your matter is in court and parenting orders are being made, the court is obliged to take into account the terms of the AVO and any allegations of family violence. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, parenting orders will override the AVO. If you have any questions or want further clarification, please give us a call and one of our experienced team members will be more than happy to help. Otherwise, stay tuned for our next video.